Hey, do you spend a lot of time watching videos on your computer and you're not making not 1 cent? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $4 every 30 seconds just watching these videos. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay, family, I'm at this website, and on this website, you're going to get paid to watch ads. Now I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. So click ads. Click on ads and get paid up to 1 cent each. Up to 100% referral earnings. Earn money. You can earn by clicking ads, completing offers, and referring new members. So not only you can make money clicking on ads or watching ads, you can also complete some offers that they're going to have, and you can refer new members. Now cash out. You need to have Skrill account, NetTeller, Payoneer, RTM, and a Bitcoin account. Now the minimum cash out is $2. Guys, all you need to do is make $2 and you can cash that money out. Now for our members, you earn up to 1 cent per click. Guys, I know that 1 cent sounds very, very low, but you're only looking at an ad for some seconds. You go to the next one. So each ad, you're going to get 1 cent. 1 cent, you have $2 in no time. Again, the $2 is the minimum payout. And they just talk about the payment platforms you need to use. And you earn 100% referral earnings. We talked about that. And they also have professional support if you need help. Now, the next thing I want to show you is proof of payments, because a lot of people think these websites are scams. So I'm going to let you know this is not a scam. This is a legit website. So let me click right here where it says proof of payments. Okay, as you can see here, as of today, the 24th of November, this person has cashed out $4. And the next person cashed out $6. And check this out. This guy here, he probably looked at a lot of ads and clicked on a lot of ads, and he got $32. But again, he probably didn't work probably less than an hour to get that $32. Now here's some more payments. I'm not going to go through all of them. Once you come to this website, you just click on proof of payments. You'll be able to look at it yourself. Now let me show you something else, guys. Click right here where it says earn more. And I'm going to click where it says Scarlet Grid. So on here, click to win up to $1. So wherever you click on here, you can win up to $1. I'm not going to click on here because I'm not logged in, so you must be logged in your account to play. But as you can see here, this person right here got 20 cents when he clicked on one of these squares, and this person got 20 cents, and this person. So these are all the recent winners that clicked on here. But you can do it more than one time. So if you do it 3 or 4 times, that's 20 cents times 4, and so on and so forth. So this is just another way on this website you can make some money viewing ads. Now let's click right here and look at more ways to earn money. And they have medium path, they have Skippy ads, they have Wanna ads, they have CPX research. So guys, that's all the other ways you can make money on here. And also, as I said earlier, if you refer friends, you can make money that way also. Now you're probably wondering, what's the name of this website? So let me go ahead and show you the name of this website. So this is the name of the website. Scarlet Clicks. So you just go to Scarlet scarletclicks.info to sign up. As you can see, they have paid over $2 million out to people. And they have a lot of members here, guys, but everybody's on here making money. And all you got to do is just sign up. It's free to sign up. So, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. It's a very good website, been around for a long time. It is legit, and you can make some money just viewing ads. So, please go to scarletclicks.info, sign up, and start getting this money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Share this everywhere. Help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers. We're halfway there, guys. I'm ready to give away free money. I give away free money every time we get 1,000 new subscribers. So by the time we get to 8,000, I'm going to give away some free money. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. I really appreciate you watching my videos and helping this channel to grow. And on that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to learn more ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.